Hello everyone, hello guys. So it's your girl here again, Rachel. Yes, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button and like, share, comment. And guys, this is me trying this trend of how many months ago. Yes, so I finally tried this makeup and it came out very nice. Yes, I've always been thinking to take a long time before I could, achieve this look, and I've been avoiding it. So I just decided to, do this, face this challenge. And to my greatest surprise, it didn't really take me a long time. Actually, it didn't even take me a long time, and I enjoyed the whole process of doing this tape makeup, and it came out so nice. I'm sure maybe if I'll be doing a second trial, maybe um I'm going to use maybe different colors, more colors than this, yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys are going to, see the outcome of this makeup and how beautiful it looked. So guys, I don't think I need too much of explanation on how you can achieve this look if you intend to try. Yes, so you just need very few materials, and I didn't use any much, makeup stuff. Like what I used to achieve this colorful look was just my eyeshadow palette, and I just picked different colors, and that was how I achieved the look. So I didn't use any, serious thing like paintings and all. So I just used my palette, my eyeshadow palette, and that was what gave me this outcome. So whichever one you have, if you have the painting colors, or you have your eyeshadow palette, or you even have your blush with, you can mix it up with other things, and you're going to achieve this look. You just have to be creative. That's all what makeup is all about. And briefly, all what you need is a tape. You get a tape, as long as it can, stick, then you get a tape. You get your brush. I decided to use the same brush all through. You can decide to change yours. It's your choice. It's preference, but I don't think it would cause any change or something. So you can decide to have more than one brush to do this. Your choice. And the other thing you need is a primer and a concealer. Yeah, this would help you, to bring out the color more and more attractive. Yeah, so before I started applying the colors, I already applied my concealer, like you saw that in the video. I applied my concealer, and then before I started applying the colors, and I believe that brought out the glowness of this color and bring it more bright. And that was it. You get your stuffs, and by the time you are done, you are good to, take off your tapes, and then you are now left to either leave it that way or proceed to make it more fun. Yes, you just have to make it fun for yourself, right? You are not in any competition. Even if you are in, you just have to make things fun. Yeah, so I decided to add some stones to it. Even this was not my initial plan, but as I was doing that, I was like, okay, so I have this and I haven't used it before, so let me just do and make this thing looks more beautiful. So I decided to add these stones, and I didn't believe it, right? I didn't believe the outcome. Like, it makes it look yummy, maybe. It makes it look very good and very beautiful. So, do you prefer the look without, applying makeup on the whole face? for me, I don't know, you can decide if you prefer the look without makeup or with makeup. So here I decided to do just a little touch on the face, not a serious work on the face, not a serious work at all. So here I was applying my concealer, my foundation and concealer. Yes, so I decided to do a little brow sketching, and not a serious one because some of the paintings are already on the brow, so I don't want to cause any problem there. Yes, so I didn't want to touch the colors, the paintings at all. So I applied my full coverage powder, and that was it. And that was what I'm saying, this is not a serious makeup. It's just to make it look more glowing and more serious, yeah, than just the bare face. Yeah, so which do you prefer, the tape makeup without makeup or the tape makeup with makeup? Yes, so let me know in the comment section which you prefer, between these two. Yeah, but anyways, we still achieve the same thing actually. So here I'm just putting some red lipstick just to make my lip red and also yummy. So that was it basically. That was all about this makeup. This is just very short and quick. So here I decided to choose something, all work and no eating. Complete it. Yes, so that was it. And a touch up of mascara. And guys, that was it, nothing more. So hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. You can also try this makeup and have a wonderful time.